It is raining buckets. As you can see, it's looking like it's letting up now, but yeah, driving in to the city was really kind of a challenge. This is what the city looks like. It's actually taking off some. But, man, when we were coming down here, his visibility was really poor and the rain was just coming down in sheets. But we made it. Hopefully the journey back will be less eventful. I'm going to go get something hot to drink. That's what's perfect for this kind of weather. This is like mid-September weather, actually, and it's in late October, so that's kind of, I don't know, it's actually been a very warm season. I've had a lot of 80, even 90 degree days into October, so that's pretty remarkable. And yeah, people are still trying to get to their places this time of night. Oh, this road construction everywhere is not helping. It's like everywhere all at once. I understand, Main Street being torn up and everything, but I mean everywhere, in every place. And yet the sewers in this town still stink to high heaven. All right, we're coming up to our spot here. Is there anywhere to park? Walking is fine for me. I have my raincoat. There's nowhere to park. Is there anywhere to park on the side lot? Oh, that's pretty full too. Oh, I can't tell. That looks too full. Well, where I'm going, there's nobody there, so I don't know where all these cars are parked here for. If they're not parked for any of these businesses, they're parked here illegally. I mean, everywhere. They're all... Yeah, I like this alley. It's a pretty fun alley. Except when you come to the end of these alleys, there's a sidewalk crossing, and there are people who do not look before they leap across the sidewalk. So you have to come to pretty much a stop and let people know that you're coming across. Do your due diligence. And here's a pickup truck blocking the road. Pick a side of the road there, mister. I don't know what this person is doing. This side's blocking the road for everyone. Try not to clip this car. Oh, thank you. Nice. See, this road is too narrow, and a lot of people don't know how to pull over into their lane. Well, they know how to, they just don't want to, for the most part. And then you got some people that are really nice, like that one person who backed up so I could get out. Oh, there's something going on here. It's like everywhere is full. Well, maybe I don't get to patronize this place. Just get to drive around. I could do what that guy did, which there's really not enough room to park there. They got these spots on the end here that are reserved for taxis. car came out. I wonder if that's a spot that opened. There's a spot to open there. Yep, a spot opened. Now the trick is how to get in here. Because I usually like the back end. It makes it easier to come out later. Alrighty, we've made it. Hopefully. I don't know, there's a car coming down the alley. Looks like maybe he wants this spot too. Kvetch, kvetch, kvetch. Alrighty. D nada, which means we can't go no further. I've got ye old GoPro, which does not do so well on low light, but I know if it gets wet it won't be ruined. My other camera might, so let's get something hot to drink. Don't know what yet. Chocolate steamer. Chocolate steamer.